Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python class. So in this video, we are going to learn Python fundamentals from the beginning. So if you are completely new to programming, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand what Python is, why everyone is learning Python, where Python is used, and how to install Python. Your first Python programs, basic mathematical operations in Python. So let's get started. So, what is Python? Let's first understand one simple question. What is programming? Programming means giving instructions to a computer. So, just like we speak English with people, we use programming languages to communicate with computers. Some popular programming languages are C, C++, Java, Python, and JavaScript. So, among all these, Python is considered one of the easiest languages. So, the definition of Python is a high level interpreted and general purpose programming language. So, it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in the year 1991. So, what does high level language mean? A high level means the language is close to human language. Instead of writing complicated machine instructions, we write simple English like statements. For example, print of hello world. Even a beginner can understand what this code does, right? So it simply prints hello world. So why was Python created? So earlierly, programming languages were difficult. They had complicated syntax. So the author Guido von Rossum wanted a language that was easy, readable, powerful, and fun to use. So that's why Python became one of the world's most popular programming languages. And next, why is Python so easy? There are many reasons. Let's understand each one. The first one is simple syntax. So just like English has grammar, programming languages also has rules. Python has one of the simplest syntaxes. For example, print of hello world or print of welcome. So in Java, the same program looks much longer. Python removes unnecessary symbols. That's why beginners love Python. And the next one is easy to read. So Python code looks almost like English. For example, age equal if I have taken a variable like age equal to 20 and I'm comparing if age is greater than or equal to 18, then print the particular person is eligible to vote or else print not eligible. So this is just like the way of communication with each other, right? So even someone who has never programmed before can guess what the code is doing. And the third one is no compilation. Many programming languages require compilation. The process of compilation is write code, compile it, and fix errors, and then run. So Python skips these extra steps. Python directly executes your code line by line. This makes testing much faster. And cross platform. So Python works on Windows, Linux, Mac OS. The same code works on all operating systems with little or no change. The next one is free for everyone. So it is open source. Python is completely free. You don't need to buy any license. So anyone can download it, use it, or modify it. And the last one is object oriented programming. So Python supports object oriented programming, which is also known as OOPS. OOPS helps us organize programs using objects. So the real life example is think about a car. A car has properties like color, speed, model, actions like start, stop, or brake. Similarly, in Python, we create objects with properties and actions. This makes large projects easier to manage. Next, we are going to see the applications of Python. So many students ask, after learning Python, what can I build? The answer is almost everything. So the first one is web development. Python is used to build websites. For example, Instagram, YouTube, Spotify. The popular frameworks are Django and Flask. These frameworks help developers to build websites quickly. Second one is automation. Automation means making computers to repetitive work automatically. Making computers do repetitive work automatically. For example, instead of sending 500 emails manually, Python can send all of them in seconds. Like we can consider other examples like rename files, move documents, general reports, read Excel sheets. The third one is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means making computers think intelligently. For example, ChatGPT, Alexa, Siri, self-driving cars. Python is the most popular language in AI. So popular AI libraries are TensorFlow and PyTorch. Next, machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data. For example, we get Netflix recommendations. How? By using machine learning. Amazon recommends the product. And how? By using the machine learning only. So Python provides excellent support through libraries like scikit-learn. And next one is data analysis. Companies collect huge amount of data. Python helps analyze the data. Like popular libraries are Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. So the examples are sales analysis, weather analysis, student results, and business reports. And we also have some applications on the gaming industry and financial industry. So Python can also create games. The popular games are Pygame, like Snake Game, Tic-Tac-Toe games, Space Shooter. So these are the real world applications of the games. Next, finance. So banks use Python for risk analysis, stock prediction, fraud detection, investment analysis. Python handles calculations efficiently. So these are all about the applications of Python. And next, why should we learn Python? So here are the key reasons. The easy to learn and perfect for business beginners. Multiple career options. So learning Python opens careers in software development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. It has high salary compared to other programming languages. Python developers are highly paid because industries widely use Python. Huge community. If you face an error, someone has probably already solved it in online. There are millions of tutorials, videos, and discussions forums. Next one is rich libraries. Python has thousands of ready-made libraries. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you simply import the required library. For example, import math. Now you can solve advanced mathematical functions by using the math function in the Python. Next, future proof. Technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, data science, cloud computing all heavily rely on Python, making it a strong long term skill. I hope you guys are understanding. Next, Python installation. So, now let's install the Python. But in this video, I'm not going to show you the installation part. You guys can check the steps I have provided it to you and install it by clicking the Python official website. Okay. So please download the latest version of your operating system if you want to install the Python in your PC. Or else there are some Python supported applications. So first one is Python online compiler. So in this, go to the first website. So this website provides the online version of the Python and we can run our code in this. See, here we are getting the output of hello world. So another platform is provided by Google. So just search for Google Colab. Click on Welcome to Colab. And here go to New Notebook. So here first connect to the server by clicking the connect. So it takes some time based on our internet connection. So it is connected. You can see RAM and disk. And now change the file name to Python course and start coding. You can run this by clicking this icon. So it shows the output hello world. So the beauty of this website is we can store our code. So in the previous website, we cannot store our code. It will vanish it if we refresh the page. But in the Google Colab, the code will be stored. We can refer it whenever it is required. And next, we also have another website that is Python Fiddle. So in this Python Fiddle also we can write the Python code just like in the Google Colab. It will shows like cell to cell. But I recommend you guys to do Python programming in the Google Colab as we can store our code and reuse it. But I'm going to run all of my code in the Python online compiler only as it is beginner friendly. Anybody can simply understand it. So the first and foremost Python program is Hello World. I have already written it, but okay. Yes, here is the output. So you guys can try it by changing this Hello World with your name, like Hello Ravi, and try it by printing your college name or your parents' name. So I'll give you some practice tips. So learning Python is not just about reading code, it is about practicing regularly. So the first and foremost step is to type every program yourself instead of copying and pasting. Run the program and observe the output carefully. Change the values of variables and see how the output changes. Experiment with different numbers and examples. Try creating similar programs on your own, such as finding the largest number, calculating the parameter, or printing your college name. So, this is the end of the class. Today, we learned what Python is, why Python is easy, applications of Python, advantages of Python, how to install Python. So, this part is you can get from the documentation and basic Python program like Hello World. So, okay, congratulations, you have completed your first step into the Python program. So, in the next classes, we will continue with more Python fundamentals and build on this foundation. So, keep practicing every day and you'll become more confident with programming. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you.